What's up guys, welcome back. Vegeta Super Saiyan Blue. So this is kind of like a fight pose. His hand coming across his face, right? So we'll have to draw his face and erase some bits. So definitely use pencil to sketch it out lightly and all that kind of stuff. Because we got some erasing to do when the hand comes across his like forehead, okay? Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start with his eyes, Dragonball eyes. Center point of my page is about here. Come down a little bit because the head like takes up like to the hairs, like all the way from here to here, right? So that W frowning shape in the middle. Eyebrows come out from there. Tick line up and down. Square end comes back, gets thinner as we go down. Okay, this side then, tick line, like so, square end, and then gets thinner as we come down. This eyebrow has the hand coming over it, right? So you'll have to erase some of that. The eyes then, small line, long line, curved line joins it together. Same on this side, small line, long line, curved line joins it together. Okay, iris, half sort of circle coming down from the eyebrow. Same on this side. Okay, nose sort of left of center, right? We've got this sort of spiking out, sort of like a hook there, and they usually draw in the shadow or the bridge of the nose on the side. And he's like wrinkly on the side of his nose as well, with some like wrinkles here too. Confident smile, pretty close to the nose, just comes across up like so. Maybe a little bit more there. And then like cheek lines. And some hatching just underneath the bottom lip. Underneath the eye, we have more lines for his cheeks, just coming across here. Typical Dragon Ball style. And some forehead lines then as well. Square chin. There. So that's the features of his face. So we go for the jaw. And remember, if I'm going too fast, hit pause. So we go diagonal first, diagonal. Here you want to stop about mouth level, okay? It's across from his mouth, like underneath his eyebrows there. And then you change your direction and go up closer to the eyebrow, like that. Same on this side, change your direction, up about to there. And most of this is underneath, so like you could get away with not drawing this side, of course. Right, and I might not draw his ear on this side. So we got like a sideburn here. Right, same on this side. But again, covered by his like his hand and his fingers and stuff. So I'll just do it like that. And then his ear comes around like so. You can't really see the ear on this side. So, ear lines inside. Like that. And then his hairline comes out around to a V in the center. It goes up around here. Down like so. And again, you could join it, but I'm not going to bother. You can go the whole way around to there because this just, there's fingers all here, and it'll just mean I have to erase less. But if you want to finish that and just copy this side go ahead. But I'm just going to leave this gap. And I'm not going to draw his ear in, because I got to draw his hand that comes across his face a little bit. So hair spikes, starting small, like so. It's kind of like it's wind blowing sort of his hair this way. Big one then here. And then one like in the middle. And then these go eventually behind his arm here somewhere. Okay, so body position sort of hunched over, right? So we can just see like his sleeves and chest muscles just here. And that collar comes around his neck and shoulder, just goes up that way. Right. And then there's some chest muscles in here. And chest muscle going that way. And then necklines. And then his chest on this side. Rib cage, quite thin waist. Just comes down. And we can see a bit of his back here because this arm is like up. Okay. Then we just draw in some abs. Right. So, I guess this hand, right? So we got some like chest muscle lines and stuff there. And then we got to do this hand. No two ifs or buts about it. So, just coming across here, we've got the bottom of the glove, that white glove, right? And that's his wrist. And his forearm comes out here to his elbow, which comes in around up to there. And then like some hatching. We got a bicep, a tricep line, and then I guess like an armpit line there. So we can see the base of his hand, right? So the base of his hand is this W, it's this part, W sort of shape, this curving W like that. And this will come up around to two knuckles, 1, 2. And these are two fingers which sort of curve around themselves. 1, 2. And you've got like some skin or like glove lines there, some knuckles. Okay, and then you have two fingers that stick up, so he's doing like this kind of thing. So we got to go up to there. And of course, we're going to be drawing over the stuff we've drawn already. So like a knuckle here, and then another finger curves around like so, and then the base of that finger there, and then the next finger sticks out, knuckle cuts off that eyebrow around to there and there, and then we have skin lines and kind of the side of his hand comes down to his thumb, then which curves around here. Like so. So that's his hand, right? There's lots of lines inside, so I know it's kind of confusing. So what I'll do is I will erase the lines that we shouldn't see, okay? So his eyebrow and stuff, I'll erase those now. So hopefully that's a bit clearer now with the hand and the hairline all erased. We just have some extra lines there. And then his other arm goes off this way, right? So he's like a big fist out this side. So we got like a big shoulder muscle. And Dragon Ball shoulders, they remind me of like basketballs. They're real round sort of things, just like this, right? Deltoid muscles, so you got 3 of them. Usually. And then bicep, sort of square. Tricep. And then the forearm goes into the glove. In here. Then there's like and then this goes around. Like so. And then his fist. Thumb. Knuckles for each finger. Around like so. And textures on the hair, I forgot actually. So each of his hair spikes, you just follow like so. And that's everything. That's how to draw Vegeta Super Saiyan Blue fight pose. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.